own best friend. He's on my SMS, keep liking all my photos. They say he's floating, but how can you know it for sure? That's not